So I'd like to welcome you to the 3260 Dolphin out of Champion, Louisiana. As I stand here, you can see the beauty of this home, the vinyl, the 9 windows, knowing that you're going to get tons of natural light inside the house. But not only is this house beautiful, it is built to last. 2x8s, 16 on center, floor joists, OSB wrapped. The weather wrap on top of that to keep the moisture from getting in. I mean, the metal roof, standard. OSB, standard. These windows, standard.
One of the things I love most about this house is that it does have an open concept, but your dining room is to yourself. You can have separate dining, tons of light coming in, natural light, along with the can lighting here in the dining room, tape and textured walls, and as you can see, it's very functional. You have a huge table here, a breakfast buffet, and yet you still have space to wander around and enjoy all the space and luxuries of being one of our beautiful Champion double wides. Tons of space, beautiful beams here, which on the 8-foot sidewalls that vault up to 9 feet, so lots of space. It feels like I'm in a home. I don't feel like I'm in someone's house. I feel like I'm in a home. The tape and texture walls has a very residential feel, urban putty trim with our farm package. Our floors are upgraded lino, and as you can see, the biggest focal point, I don't know if you want to say the TV's the biggest focal point or the fireplace, but we can fit a 75-inch TV here, or we can hang out by the fire and spend family time. There's nothing that really compares to this house. I love the vaulted ceiling, love the can lights, upflow in the vault. You're not going to get much of that anywhere else at the price point that we give. It's going to be hard to beat a Louisiana Champion double. Come over to the kitchen. Huge island, tons of cabinets. Not only are these barn doors here, they look good, but they also are functional. Fully functional for storage. You got drawers over doors, one-piece roll countertops, so you don't have to worry about leaks, moisture, bugs, anything getting in there. The separation that you normally see in a cheaper house, you don't get that here. This is quality stuff in a quality home made here in Louisiana. Beautiful windows, large windows. I mean, you have this thing where you can be overlooking a lake, you're overlooking the yard, or maybe your kids are outside and you be here doing your dishes in this beautiful farm sink. Look at this. I mean, some of these things don't require words. They speak for themselves.
So behind this beautiful barn door here is our pantry. I mean, you open up this pantry, I mean, it feels like the size of a small room. You have 3 shelves, 2 walls, tons of space, can lighting in here, easy on off switch, and we're out of there. Don't get lost, people. So follow me back into the kitchen. There's so much stuff here. I can go all day, but let's talk about the appliances. Whirlpool appliances, standard in every one of our houses. Dishwasher, Whirlpool refrigerator. I mean, you can get it this way, get it side by side. It's your choice. As you see, we have this beautiful accent island. You can get it blue, white, gray, dark brown, light brown. I mean, we have so many options for you. Same as your countertops. I mean, you're never going to have to worry about these things peeling because, as I mentioned earlier, one-piece rolled countertops, nothing's peeling. I mean, this stuff is heat resistant, scratch proof. What more could you ask for? And I'm gonna get lost in this room. It's humongous, huge master bedroom. Actually caught me off guard. I forgot how big this thing is. Beautiful craftsman trim, textured ceiling, upflow, can lighting, lots of natural lights. I mean, I've said that over and over again, lots of natural light. Every one of our rooms have huge windows, and I mean, we cater to our customers. We want to make sure that you know that we're going to have low E, high efficiency, beautiful. Not only is it beautiful, but it will save you money. I mean, what has Champion not thought of for you? Come on over, let me show you the master bathroom. You come into the master bath, I mean, I think the biggest things are these long, beautiful windows, fixed windows here by the standalone tub, one-piece roll countertops again, porcelain sinks are standard, framed mirrors. This is his, that's hers, or that's his, that's hers. So separate sinks, separate cabinets above the sinks, and we also have drawers here along with cabinets. Black pools, beautiful, and look at this. Look at the gridded shower, glass shower door going into our 60-inch Duma wall shower. Rainforest head, another added can lights. There's so much lighting in here. We're so very fortunate to be able to show a house of this caliber out of Louisiana. So, transitioning from your master bathroom into a walk-in closet where we have a sweater shelf here, divides his and hers, shelving, and also natural lights even in the closet along with can lighting. Something special here. Wow, so I know it feels like we're in the master bedroom again, but we're not. This is actually bedroom 2, which is not much smaller than bedroom 1, and bedroom 3 is identical. Huge space, large windows, cordless blinds, easy push up, easy pull down. Don't have to worry about your kids getting caught up in the blinds, animals playing with it. Very safe and very convenient to be able to maneuver up and down. Walk-in closet in your spare bedrooms. Don't lose me. Don't lose me. All right, I'm back. Lots of space in there. Coming in from the back door, we're in the laundry room / mud room. The thing I love about the back door is 6 panels, steel door. You're not worried about someone breaking in through your glass, unlocking the door, and getting to you and your loved ones. Here at Champion, we not only value quality, but we value your safety for your home and your family. This laundry room, lots of space, washer, dryer, cabinets above your washer and dryer. Put your linens here, and we can easily slide right here from the laundry room into bathroom 2. Come on in. Here in bathroom 2, one-piece fiberglass tub shower combo. I'm a big guy. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm about 250 pounds. But there's nothing moving here. It's only one piece, no separation. Quality, quality, quality. That's the word of the day with Champion Homes of Louisiana. We bring to you quality product, quality homes. I mean, look at your sinks. Standard porcelain sinks, frames around your mirrors, steel overhead cabinets, black pulls, hidden hinges, drawers, and doors. Pretty much everywhere we go. One-piece row countertops, commode, you can go elongated. We can even upgrade your bathtub. If you want something bigger, we'll give it to you, and we won't charge you a whole lot for it. Thank you guys for taking the time to walk the Dolphin with me. As you can see, this house has so many features, so many benefits. Hope to see you one day in this house, making it your home.